Good morning, guys. Hope you're having a great day. It is Ping here. It is 5 in the morning and we are in Yogyakarta. We're up so early because we are going to go see one of the most famous monuments in the world. We are now at the Borobudur temple complex. As you can see, this is a beautiful UNESCO World Heritage Site. Sculptures and structures here, especially the stupas at the top of the temple are astounding. Although some of them have been broken down, they just have the Buddha left. And the carvings, the intricate carvings along the sides of the walkways are just really impressive. And it's so quiet, it's so peaceful. This is a really cool temple to visit. It reminds me more of Mayan Aztec structures in the way that the stone carvings are made. It is really, really big. If you do come after like 7 a.m. because then all the people leave and you have the entire place to yourself basically. But this is a really magnificent temple. We have arrived to our next stop. It is a place called Baksonya Bakso Maharani, which is famous for bakso, which is a sort of meatball soup. They're just making it at the back, and once that's ready, I will show you guys. has just arrived. It is piping hot, but it looks absolutely delicious. You have some meatballs, you have 2 types of noodles. All I did was just chop up some vegetables, put it on top of the noodles, and just quickly blanch them, and then put some pork balls from the soup into the bowl. This looks like a delicious little bowl of noodles. Let's give the broth a try. Oh, that feels like that's home cooking right there. The broth is just so flavorful. You know, the balls have been cooking inside the soup for such a long time that it's flavored the soup so well, and you can tell that they put so many ingredients. It's a bit spicy with probably some cloves, cinnamon, and all these other spices. And the soup is just so delicious on its own without any other sauce put inside yet. Now they have 2 types of noodles. They have the yellow noodle and then they have the white noodle. But I think what the proper way is to mix it in together so you get a bit of both. So we're gonna just get both of these noodles right here. Let's give it a try. Oh yeah, wow. They're bouncy, they're springy, they're chewy, and best part is they soak up all of that broth that you have sitting in the bowl, that boiling hot broth, which is really delicious altogether. And now of course, for the star of the whole dish, the meatballs. Those are some really good balls. They're quite chewy, which is good because I think that it makes you sort of appreciate the flavor more. And the flavor is just so good. As the more you bite, the more you get all that soup juice just like exploding in your mouth. Oh, these are like explosion meatballs. Oh, this is a really good bowl of noodles right here. This is one of the best, I think, legendary baksos in the whole Yogyakarta area. And the soup with the balls and the noodles, it just makes such a good home-cooked feeling combination. That is absolutely delicious. It's time for us to add some chili in. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That chili sauce is amazing. It's spicy, it's tangy, it adds to the flavor so well. Oh, this whole meal, the bakso itself, is only 10,000 rupiah, which is about $1. That is an amazing deal for such a hearty bowl of noodles. That home-cooked feeling, and they're just right here along the street. Cars are just going by the whole time, and they just have their little cart here, and you just come in and sit down. But this place is a legendary establishment of Yogyakarta, and there's a reason that it's so famous and known all across Indonesia for some of the best bakso you can get across the entire country. It was a delicious bowl. You could tell it was made with love. It had such a homey feeling to it. We finished the noodles. We're gonna go get some more food. Satu rujak. To our next stop, it's a little ice cream shop known as Rujak ice cream Nardi, and we just got our bowl of ice cream. She basically just put some fruit at the very bottom, sliced fruits at the bottom of the bowl, and just tops it up and just scoops ice cream onto it. So it's supposed to be all mixed together. I'm first gonna just try a bit of the ice cream. It's like pink color, so let's see what flavor it is. Oh, it's like a sweet, salty ice cream almost. It's like coconut, but like salty coconut ice cream. Oh, that's very interesting. Let's try it with let's try just some of the fruit. I just want to see what fruit they're serving here. Oh, it's a bit savory. It's like what you'd expect from like a kimchi. It's like almost there's like a papaya and lemons, and they put some spice in it, so it's like savory plus sweet almost. So I guess when you mix it together, you should get like a sweet and salty combination. So let's give this a try. It's almost like ice cream kimchi almost. It's the sweet of the ice cream mixed with the spiciness, the sourness of the fruits on the bottom. It's an interesting, very unique concept. A unique take on ice cream, that's for sure. I wouldn't say I'm a big fan of this, but it is very unique and it is something that you should try when you do come to Yogyakarta. It's an interesting spin on ice cream, but the fruits are very fresh, and the ice cream it just has a very unique flavor that you have to come try for yourself if you want to know what it tastes like. But let's put it this way: it's like pickled kimchi ice cream. It's better than it sounds, trust me. Ice cream is finished. It wasn't. If you're expecting normal ice cream, that's definitely not what that is. It's like a savory kimchi ice cream. So if you're expecting like your classic vanilla ice cream, don't come here. But the whole time I was eating, I told myself to keep an open mind. So if you do come here, you want to try something new, that's definitely the ice cream shop you should go to. For now, we are going to walk off all that food, and we are just waiting for our Grab driver. Just finished visiting the water castle. Honestly wasn't too impressed with it. It was just a pool of water and then just basically some structures and some carvings, and there were just way too many people, and it just didn't really strike out to me as anything very special in particular. It used to be the place where people with the queens would take a bath for the king. And it's honestly like a 5-minute thing. You walk in, you walk through it, and then you honestly can't, there's not much to do at the water palace. I think we're gonna go find a mosque because I heard that there's a very special one just around here. Now we are at the Sultan's Palace here in Yogyakarta. We're just in this big area where they just have some pillars, but this is where the Sultan used to live, and this is where they inaugurate ministers, and it shows the history of Yogyakarta. They have a lot of exhibitions here as well to show you what life was like for the Sultan in his palace. But overall, it's just a very quiet, very peaceful place here.